Tonight, the CDC is warning the flu season has struck early across the country. Here in Metro Atlanta, almost 200 people have been taken to the hospital with severe flu symptoms since the season started. Fox 5's Jacqueline Schultz joins us now live outside the CDC. Jacqueline, you've been told local doctors have been swamped with patients.
Yeah, in fact, they are so busy that the health department tells me that triple the amount of people have been going to hospitals all across Georgia because they've been feeling sick with something like the flu. Now, doctors say the symptoms of the strain this year, H3N2, are so severe, families have to watch out and make sure they take people like the elderly and children to the hospital if they're not getting any better this flu season.
I'm really hoping not to get sick. I don't want it. I've had a flu shot, so fingers crossed.
Health officials say the number of people with the flu has spiked earlier than usual, especially in the South. And chances are you've had it, have it, or know someone who has the especially concerning strain this flu season.
It's been pretty rough on them.
This map from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention shows Georgia's now one of more than 24 states reporting high numbers of flu-like cases. Nationwide, visits to doctors have more than doubled. But in Georgia, the health department says doctor visits have almost tripled. Since flu season hit, officials say 200 people in the metro have been hospitalized, 50 in the last week of December. One person died.
A lot of fever, body aches, a very severe kind of respiratory infection.
Christina Grace, a nurse practitioner at Center Springs MD in Brookhaven, says the center has seen high numbers of patients with flu-like symptoms and says the fast-spreading strain of H3N2 has particularly nasty symptoms, with the flu shot only 10% effective this season. Besides washing your hands, staying away from people who are sick, and staying home until you're better, Grace says you should boost your vitamin D intake up to 10,000 units a day if you're ill. Take vitamin C. Eat garlic and use it to season your food and soups, and lay off the yummy holiday foods.
A lot more sugars, a lot more carbohydrates, and unfortunately those things can actually lower your immune system.
And we'll have more on the flu strain this season and also all those health tips on our website on fox5atlanta.com.